Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make your taskbar icon small, right? How you can resize your taskbar icon, right? So if you look here, as you can see, my icons, they are a bit small, right? So I have a lot of this, so I'm going to show you how you can make yours small like this. So yeah, that's what we're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before we get started, I just want to ask you, like, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. With that being said, let's get started. Now, as you can see, if you remove my mouse, my taskbar is being hidden. So I did a video on this in our last video where I show you where you can hide or how you can hide your taskbar. So if you want to know how you can hide your taskbar, like mine here, once you remove your mouse, it's being hidden, then the link to that video will be in the description. You can check it out. But for this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your icon small. So to do that, just come to your taskbar, right? You are on your taskbar here, and then just right click on your taskbar. Now click on taskbar settings, right? Click on that, and then this should be opening up. So now if you look close, you'll see you got this use small taskbar button. So mine is turned on, that's why you see my icons are a bit small. Now if you switch this off, turn it off, you will see my icons are this big, right? So you can turn it off like that, right? Perfect. Just turn that on your small taskbar icon. So that's how you can resize your icons in your taskbar. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. With that being said, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.